Assalamu alaikum. Today will I show you how to make a newborn baby cap. So let's start. Make 4 chain and make a slip stitch in the last. Okay, now start chain 3, 1 2 3 and make 12 double crochet in the circle, into the circle. 1 2 3 4 5 6, make it 12 double crochet and then make a slip stitch. I will be right back. Now chain 3, 1 2 and 3 and make 2 double crochet in every stitch. Make 2 double crochet in every stitch all around. So we will have 24 stitches. See? In every stitch make 2 double crochet. I will be back. Now I finished my round, second round. Now chain 3 excuse me, in the second, this one I will make 1 double crochet. In the second chain I will make 2 double crochet. So chain 1 in the next and chain 2 double crochet 2 in the next chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. So see, now 1 double crochet in the next, and in this one I will make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. In the next make 1, in the next make 2. So you will go on through this method, 1 2 1 2 1 2. So I will be back then when I complete my work round. 1 and 2. Now I finished my third round, so I will start with chain 3, 1 2 3 and make 1 double crochet. Again in the next make 1 double crochet, and in the third one make 2 double crochet. Now this round is little bit different from the second one. In the second I did 1 double crochet and in the next 2 double crochet, and in this round I will do 1 double crochet, in one stitch 1 double crochet, in the next 1 double crochet, in the third one I will make 2 double crochet. So I will make 1 double crochet, in the next 1 double crochet, in the third one I will make 2 double crochet. This pattern of cap is very easy because it is simple cap, no design in it, so it's good for the beginners too. So I hope you will understand it. So in one stitch 1 double crochet, in the second 1 double crochet, in the third 2 double crochet, 1 1 2 1 1 2. It's like that. So do it all across till to the end, and I will be back when I reach to my end. Okay, now I finished my 4th round. Now I will start my 1 2 3 4 5th round. 1 2 3. Now I will start with the first stitch, double crochet, 1 1 double crochet in 3 stitches, and in the 4th one make 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, double crochet in the 4th one. Now make 1 double crochet in 3 stitches, and in the 4th one make 2 double crochet. So it will be easy for you all. Three, and in the 4th make 2. So finish your work till to the end here, and I will be back in a moment. Now I finished my 5th row. No, I will not increase anymore. Now chain 3 and make double crochet in every stitch. Make double crochet in every stitch. This gap is for 0 to 3 months. Zero size, for 0 size this gap I am making. Now no more increases. Do double crochet in every stitch across to the end of this row. So I will be back when I finish my this row. No increases in this row. Go double crochet in every stitch till to the end of this row. Finish the row. Now chain again 3 and double crochet in every stitch. Excuse me. Okay. Now do the same method, double crochet in each stitch through all of it, I mean all across to the end, again and again. Do this row for 8 times, including this one what I am making. So do 8 rows, double crochet in each stitch all around, again and again and again. When I finish my 8th row, I will be back. Now here I am. Now cut the yarn and make a slip stitch. And tight it in the back of the cap like this. Now cut the extra yarn, this one and this one, and this is my newborn cap. See, it's cute and little cap for newborn. So I will make a flower of this color and put it on my cap. So I have shown you before in the video of frock. So like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video inshallah. Till now, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.